up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Please Come Home for Christmas. Fun tune to learn for the holidays. A lot of people covered this song. Let's do it in C. Sits well in C, I think. So we got C major. We got two different parts, verses and the bridge. Goes round and round and round. C major, 1, 2, 3. To C major 7, lift up your first finger. To C7, add your pinky on 3rd fret G string. To F major, bar 1st fret, 3rd, 4th finger and 2nd. To F sharp diminished. Back to C, F major, C, E over C, 1st finger, 2nd finger, to A minor. So basically that is, the bass goes D7 to G. That's the first round. That's the first time for the first verse around. But it starts like this actually with this chord here. What is that? Sharp 5, G major sharp 5. 1st finger, 2nd, 3rd finger on the G string, 4th fret, and pinky on the B string, 4th fret. Okay, let's play that again. 3, 4. C, C major 7, C7. It's mainly doing downstrokes. F major, F sharp diminished. C, F, C, E over C, A minor, D7, now that chord, back to 2nd time, verse. F sharp diminished. That's 2nd, 1st on the D and 2nd on the G. C, F, go down. Let's see, where are we? D7, G, and then we want to resolve there the 2nd time. Back to C instead of staying on the G, okay? And then we have the bridge, F sharp, F, F minor, C, that chord, back to C, make that C7, F major, now things are going to happen. So this is after the bridge when we're kind of back to the verse chords. After the F sharp diminished, we got a bunch of chords coming up. We got C, E7, this is the turnaround, A minor, G, F, F sharp, pretty fast. So it's 2 chords in each bar. So it's C, E7, A minor, G, F sharp, C, A minor, D7, G7, C. Alright, let's go over that again later. Let's go back to the verse. Let's play the song. G, 4, C major, C major 7, C7, F, F sharp, F there, C, B over C, A minor, D7, G. Second time around. C7, bridge. F minor, C, G, D7, and end on G. Verse chorus. Okay, the turnaround is coming up on those chords. C, E, A, G, F, F sharp, A minor, D7, G7. Okay, so this song is fairly easy. Just you got to write down the form. It's a little bit hard to remember, but let's go over that. Last part is the hardest, the turnaround. So after the F sharp diminished, C, E7, A minor, G, F, F sharp, C, A minor, D7, G7, C. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Stay safe.